Guys, and we start today's workshop. All right. Let me share my screen and we don't wait now and let's continue the session, guys. Just go here. Let me share the screen. Okay. So the name of the workshop is Workshop on Stable Diffusion Model, which is integrating with Hugging Face, PyTorch, OpenAI, GPT, Omni. So which is new model OpenAI launched. So that's called Omni. So let's have discussion today's session and all the practical whatever we're gonna do. So it's everything is hands-on, and I want you to be just stay and happily listen the classes and we work together. So the session anyway, the first every session duration is going to be let's say 2 hour or 2 hour 30 minutes 2 hour 2 hour 30 minutes. I appreciate your time because and I'm going to cover a lot of topics in 2.5 hours. So the second point, the main practicals. So anyone who does not have any Python knowledge, guys, from this group, so most of them has Python knowledge. So we just complete code, Python code, and then the third one, we introduce OpenAI GPT-4 Omni model. Okay. And 4.1 deep learning framework, which is PyTorch. PyTorch. That means we torch with Python. And fifth one, OpenAI deep learning. Hugging Face. Hugging Face. We are integrating stable diffusion model. So I could say like we use Hugging Face auth token. And the sixth one, stable diffusion model, stable diffusion model from, okay. So I just stability.ai. So sixth, we connect everything, guys. And let's continue. So these are the libraries we're going to use. So the first one, OpenAI. So this is all those things. So we're going to do a 3 practical today. So the second one is we're going to do 3 practicals, guys. 3 practicals. Just give me 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. So let's start now, guys. Sir, can beginners do watch this? Yes, of course. Let me tell you, beginners can watch this. You can also work with me. Okay. So Andrew, sir, this is Riyadh sir's workshop, not Prakash Senapathi, sir. No, man, my name is Prakash Senapathi. This is not Riaz. I hope understand. So it's in cloud. Okay. What's your name? Andrew Calix. Okay, I think it's been wrong. Yeah, one moment. Let me inform them. Just 2 minutes, guys. Actually, thank you, Riaz. I'm sorry. Yeah, Andrew, it's it's taking wrong live. One moment. I'll inform them. Okay. Now let's continue. I think, yeah, Kanaya, you can watch this. So the name of the workshop is, okay, stable diffusion model. We build diffusion model today. Okay. The second one, who can who can attend this workshop? Who can attend this workshop? If you're complete beginner level, then might be few concepts you can't understand, or maybe you cannot work the practical with me, but don't worry, you few concepts, but that's not an issue. I'll try to cover them as well. And if you unable to code with me, don't worry, we have a mentored support. Don't worry, we have a mentored support, so they can guide you, so they can help you. Clear? And if you medium level and expert level, if you know only Python code, yeah, you can work. But there's a few concepts you might be not, a few generative AI concept might not be clear, but later part of the sessions you're going to be clear. And if you're expert level, if you're data scientist or maybe complete machine learning or Gen AI or deep learning, so that's not an issue. So just go ahead, and if you are an expert level, so you can easily understand. So you can easily understand, guys. You can easily understand. So are you guys clear? Kanaya, are you clear now? So team, can you hear me, everyone? Just give a quick response so that we can continue. And let me check, does the live is started or not? Thank you, Andrew, uh, for posting the comments. I will just one moment, one moment. Okay, so one second. Anyway, it is recording. Team, just give me some time so they activate the. Let's continue in the meantime. Okay, yeah. So are you guys clear? So the first is workshop, and third point is about my introductions. I don't. I'll give you my LinkedIn profile. I'll give you my LinkedIn profile so you can catch me on that. Just go here and one second. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. One moment. Okay. Let's copy and I'll paste it here. Clear, guys? So I hope so far the three topics we completed. So the first one is workshop. Name of the workshop is stable diffusion model, and the durations it's going to be 2 hours. If you are work with me, you can. If you have an issue, you can watch the live link. I will share the live link. So I think the live link got diverted, so that's why. So once I get the live link, I will share you. Okay, team? This is the first one. And fourth point. So my introductions, you can catch me on LinkedIn, all these things, and all the history, where I'm working, what's my experiences, and how much into training, and everything I've been mentions in my LinkedIn. Okay, that's good. Now let's have a look at this. Okay. All right. So today I just mentioned the PPT because you can consider this as a notes as well. So the PPT which I make, you can consider them as a notes as well. All right. And you can add on your notes to this PPT. The sixth one. So this is what today we're going to do 3 projects, guys. The first project is text prompt to image generations using GitHub. First projects. And second project is text prompt to image generation using Hugging Face and PyTorch, the 2 projects. And the third project is image generations from multi-language trans text prompt. Understand? So the third project is, so what is the third projects, guys? So the third projects we're going to work with text prompt image generation using Hugging Face and PyTorch. This is the second, and third one is text prompt. So we do 3 projects. So are we get ready? Are we get ready, team, everyone? Are we get ready? Yes. Just allow me some time. I'll discuss with my team, and once I get the live link, I'll share to the live link so that I can also post to the chat. Just one moment and stay with me. So, and one more thing, we will use all the projects using Google Colab. So we use the 3 projects. The first one is project 1, first project. We don't write any code. Okay, the code is given by GitHub. So we'll copy and we will paste, and I'll tell you how to do that. And then we write a code, guys. Code is given by GitHub from the stable diffusion model. And this is our first projects we're going to do. And second project is, okay, text prompt to image generations, okay, using Git and using Hugging Face, HF, and so what is the benefit of Google Colab if when we do it? Local machines you can't do. Local machines, you have a 4 GB RAM, okay? But if these transformers, you have more hi-fi. So that's why you cannot work, okay? PyTorch. All right, this is the second project. And the third project is we can add multi-language text prompt to image generations. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes. I'll speak with my admin and get a live link and share to you, and then we start and we continuously finish it. Sorry, guys. Okay, let me speak with them. Okay, let's continue. So HF means Hugging Face. HF means Hugging Face. Okay, Veena, Sahiti, Hugging Face. We'll do this all those things later. We'll work together. Next one. Okay, so guys, let me continue and let's start today's session. The first one, workshop name is Stable Diffusion Model, and it's going to be take 2 hours or 2.5 hours, because I'll complete in 1 hour. For we work together, maybe we have some errors so that we can fix it. And who can attend these workshops? If you're beginner level, so might be few concepts very hard to understand, but no worries. So I will give the recording sessions and it would be uploaded in YouTube, so you can watch it, and any questions you can take support from the mentor and they can guide you. We have Naresh IT has a mentor as well. So if you learn Python code, then you write the code easily, but few generative AI concepts might not understand. I try to explain them one more time. If you're expert level, then that's okay. No need to worry. And if my students, I hope they can understand as well. So regarding my introductions, you can follow this link. I will share this document to you so that you can uh, catch me on LinkedIn for further discussions and all those things. I will share the link after the class, live link, or maybe you can find out in Naresh IT Naresh IT YouTube channel. All right. So let's go ahead and we continue today's session. And the first one, fifth one, the PPT which I make you so you can understand the concepts easily and you can consider them as a notes as well. You can consider them as notes as well. So today I'm going to make 3 projects along with explanations because we cannot do any projects without understanding the theory. So let's understand the theory and then we continue. So let's start today's session, and thank you for your time to joining, and stay tuned for next 2 hours and bring your water bottles or some tea, coffee, and then we can start today's sessions, guys. Let's continue. So the first one, you can catch me on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn. Okay. Slideshow from current slides. As I told you, so this is 3 projects we're going to build. And from these 3 projects, we can use GPT for Omni and Hugging Face and PyTorch. And this is my name. You can find out this. So what is agenda? First, my introductions already shared. What is stable diffusion and in real time where we use this? First point. So second, stable diffusion 3 projects we're going to do. And then we'll understand architecture. Some of people, if not understand, no worries, but some of them will definitely understand this. And also I schedule my new training batch, which I'll tell you the date, time, and durations, all those things. And also I make a many generative AI and large language model YouTube sessions. It absolutely freely. I'll give you all of them, and then we understand all these things, guys. Clear? So agenda, are you clear, everyone? Agenda, are you clear, everyone? Beginner level, fresher level, or experience level? Everybody, just you can ping me so that I can understand, team. All right. So guys, can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me, team? Okay, that's fine. Good. Darshnikan joined. Bhupinder joined. Okay. And Chaudhary, yeah. If sometimes you not understand, no problem. I'll guide you. Okay. Let's continue first. Oh, this is all my introductions. You can, as I told you, I have almost 17-year experience and multiple programs I train, also corporate trainer and all those things. I will share you, Kavya, all the previous recordings I'll share you. Let me tell you, all the recording I'll share you after the class. Okay, Kavya? I can see your chart window. I'm trying to respond to your charts. First one, data science has, sir. Guys, all questions can we discuss later? Python students who I know only. Okay, Chaudhary, no problem. You can just focus the class, then we can meet. Data science is divided into 3 parts: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. In supervised, machine learning comes, and unsupervised AI and reinforcement generative AI. All right. So this is just a headings, and every headings has more powerful content. So at this moment, I don't explain each and every topic, but very simple. This stable diffusion model, which we do workshop today, or which we understanding today, it comes under Gen AI platform. And also we use deep learning transformers and PyTorch we've been using. So stable diffusion, we can combine Gen AI and deep learning both. So here, that's why I can mention the stable diffusion concepts. I keep it here, guys. Very much clear. So generative AI is collections of LLM models like OpenAI, Google, Meta, Cloudy, AI agents, because these agents is integrated with the large language model. And the stable diffusion topic, which we study to get today, is comes under GenAI platform. And also to build this stable diffusion model, we use deep learning framework, guys. We use deep learning framework. Clear, team, this one? So stable diffusion is a model. To build this model or to build these projects, we can integrate deep learning framework, and we just use some of the Gen AI platforms as well. Understood. Next one. What exactly mean by stable diffusion? And I'll give you some link. You work with me. Just go here. So the first one, stable diffusion is a type of generative model primarily used to create image from text descriptions. So very simple way, SD, stable diffusion. I said SD, SF means stable diffusion. I don't type complete word, just mention SF. So what exactly it does? So it will create text prompt, okay, and it will image generate. So this is stable diffusion. So we load a text prompt and we generate an image. Understand you? It so internally it called diffusion, where it gradually transform random noise into convert images by following patterns from training data. Okay. So before I hope understand. So this is all theories. Its ability to create detailed, diverse image has significance tool and realm of AI. Anyway, but the next thing, where we use in real time, where do we use, where do we implement this model? First, you must need to understand where we use this in real time. First, social media content creation. Influencer and digital marketers use stable diffusion to generate eye-catching images for social media posts. Do you know, guys, some of the posts are, they have multi-millions hits, guys. Within 2 seconds, within 10 minutes, their hits are so increased, isn't it? So if you see this, the influencer or digital marketers, they use stable diffusion model. Do you see they create different designs so that a viewers can impress by look at the design, and they got more view, and when they got more view, so they have publicity increase and the marketing increase, everything, isn't it? So there we've been used in this stable diffusion model. Next, so by entering prompt related trending topics of themes, you can get the model generate a eye-catching images or generations from text, guys. Next one, video game asset generations. In indie game developers use stable diffusion to create concepts and character designs. Do you see, if you see many games, the different characters you get, guys? I mean, even though I hope most of them play a video games, in the video games, the characters also designed. So these characters are created, these emojis characters are created from these stable diffusion model, guys. Now, product visualizations. In e-commerce business leverage stable diffusion to visualize products in various setting of styles. If any new product launch in the market, so there has a different, because the old designs, they want to make a creativity. Every day the world is changing, the technology is changing, they wanted to migrate, they wanted to introduce a new concepts to the model, so that for the viewers to users customers easy to understand and get addicted to the new product, isn't it? So in fashion retailer, you can input descriptions of clothing items along with desired backgrounds, generating promotional images that showcase. So in different context, for photo shoots also, the stable diffusion model use, guys. Art generations for streaming. Artists streaming on platforms like Twitch use stable diffusion to create art live for the audience. And then storyboarding animations, because whenever nowadays more content creators, they use more animations to understand the concepts, because using animations, whoever listen any video or podcast, they keep concentrate on the podcast to not divert, so the content is very much clear. So on these realistic day-to-day world, we use stable diffusion model, guys. Are we clear? Are we clear, everyone? So there's a two concepts I explained to you. So the first one is what is stable diffusion? It will create text prompt to image generations. And the second one is in real time, where we use the stable diffusion. Guys, thumbs up once you done, guys. Okay. Now, so you need to understand the uses of this learning. If you don't uses of the learning, then it doesn't make sense. Next one, close them. Go ahead and we continue the next part. So the first thing is we'll do 3 projects. text prompt to image generation using GitHub. But before that, okay, first, let's explore a few websites which integrate with Stable Diffusion. So the first one, Stable Diffusion, I just click this, and do you see huggingface.co spaces stability AI stable diffusion model? So I'll create some of the stability. Okay, I will share this link to you. Okay, 1 second. Okay, do you see this, guys? Stability.ai. This is the company who created stable diffusion model. All right. So using this model, we create our app. We build our program. And do you see there's a two prompts it's given me. So I can say as elephant image. Okay. Now I can type elephant image and generate image. Do you see? Just copy. And team, I'm sharing you. You can also chat with me, or you can also work with me. Just go ahead and apply. Can you please use this? Do you see? Now, is this real image, guys? Can you answer? Is this real image or it's a diffused? I mean, the image generated by AI, isn't it? This is generated AI, guys. This is not a real image. Team, are you understand? Generated? No, this is not a real image. So what I'm giving you, this is not a real, but exactly it's look like a real, isn't it? But exactly it's look like a real. So did you create this model? No, this model created by Stability AI. So when a user pay to use this service, the company will get benefit, isn't it? So what I'm trying to do, I just give you the link, just open for 2 seconds and open in a next new tab. And once you go to the new tab and you can write any image, are you able to generate an image, guys? Just quick. So this is one of the applications of generative AI. So this is also part of the generative AI series. You can get this. Team, are you done? Are you done now? So what I'm trying to do, done. You got your response or not? Everyone, you got your response? Fantastic. So we didn't develop this. So this is a front end. This is a front end. So in the back end, you can't able to see back end. We need to write it. We have to develop the code in back end. So let's do that now. So enemies you can call it as like horse. Just generate image and you can get this one. So do you see the processing time? So these models when you develop in CPU, you need to have a hi-fi system to generate this type of model. Again, this is generated AI. Now next one, Tulip. Just go to the Tulip, just generated. So clear what exactly stable diffusion model? I'm a developer, I'm a user, enter a text prompt. Now image generated. This is not a realistic image, but the model created an image, guys. I hope understand what's meant by stable diffusion. So what are the topic we understood? So the first one, what is stable diffusion? And in reality, in real time, where we use this? In real time, where we use this, guys? We'll use in social media, and game development, content creations, game development, and then we have content creations, and then we can have like for fashion industry to generate new type of fashion industry and to eye catch all the customers. Okay, this is what we discuss. And eighth point, I share one link. Okay. Okay, this is a front end, a user, write the text, and images. Clear, guys? Ninth one. Okay, now the same way. Now what I wanted to do. So guys, understand up to this now? Let's go to this one. Wikipedia. I want to introduce the Wikipedia part because whenever we try to, we'll go for a practical as well. Before I go to practical, let's understand for the Wikipedia as well. Okay. Just go here. Sir, can we develop our own model which will yeah, we can do it now. We can do it now. That's what the practical we can do. But before that, I just want to give you some of this one. Okay. Do you read this? So Stable Diffusion is a deep learning text to image model released in 2022. Recently, guys, on diffusion technique. It is a generative AI technology. I told you this is a generative AI and deep learning. It's combined, it's combination of both or not, guys? It's combination of both and is a premier product of Stability AI. So this is the product Stability AI company produced diffusion model and considered to be part of the AI applications, guys. Understand? So here development. So this code, this was Stable Diffusion, originated from project called Latent Diffusion. So where exactly the SF is originally created from latent diffusion. Latent diffusion. Can you please share the link for Hugging Face one more time? I have switched the device. Okay, Animesh, guys, please just, this is Wikipedia link, the one which I'm sharing. You can also go through it, but please listen to the class. Then you would be more understand. Okay, Animesh, listen, then I'll give it to you later. Okay, no problem. Just focus the class. So here, just go, because if where we stop, guys, this one. All right. So what is latent diffusion? This is Germany researcher. This is the research paper, and the research paper, the model created latent diffusion first, then it's come after that stable diffusion model is originated. So in this model, this research paper, there are 4 authors has been developed this paper, and these are the authors' name, because you need to know the origin where the models will be introduced. The technology license were released from Comviz group. So which group created this model, guys? So this techniques created by this techniques, the 10th one, this technique created by Comviz group. So guys, are you understand, or I'm sure you not feel bored? Okay, this is a new topic. So we'll recording. Yes. Minakshi. Yeah. Yes, it's available. Everyone understand? And we try to, I'm trying to explain from the scratch level. I'm trying to explain from the scratch level. Okay. So please have a look at it. So the one who absent, so I'll share you the recording, or maybe we'll post in the YouTube as well, so that you can watch it again from beginning. So very simple. These are the basic topics which I covered so far, and we just explain. I just trying to explain what's a stable diffusion model, and in the stable diffusion model, where how exactly it's generated. And this is stable diffusion is, you can, it we use deep learning framework, and this is generative AI applications as well. Okay, team. And stable diffusion is a latent diffusion model. Initially, it was published by 4 researchers and 4 authors, 5 authors, and this is author's name. And these comes from Comviz group. Okay, so Comviz group. I hope understand what's meant by Comviz group. Okay, so you runway ML also very important applications. This development led by, these are the runway. This is different. This is runway also very powerful generative AI models, where I will explain in different sessions about runway. Understand? So understand these are the basic of things, and I don't cover all the part. And also I'll share this link if you're expert in AI, so you can understand what exactly I'm saying. So the next one. Okay. All right, guys. So this, I'm not reading all these things because you can't understand, you get bored. So let's use GitHub of Stability AI, because Stability AI created stable diffuser. Okay. So what I want everyone, open a Google Colab. Let's do the code, and I will, do you see Comviz, guys? Just now I explained Comviz. This is the group created, isn't it? So let's copy and I will share to everyone. So what are the topic we covered, guys? First topic, what is stable diffusion? Where we implement in real time. Stable diffusion, what is stability.ai? So CompWiz, so they are the creator of stability.ai. Now, the second one, I'll give you a GitHub link and please refer to the GitHub, everyone. Once you open the GitHub, okay, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, okay, we have multiple. This is generated AI images, guys. And scroll down. Are you able to see this code? Are you able to see this code, everyone? Are you able to see this code? Yes. Okay. Now go to your, let me tell you, I will try to set up a Hugging Face first. I'm sorry. So if anyone know, then log into the Google Colab. So how to log into the Google Colab? Just go to Google and type Google Colab and then runtime, runtime, select to GPU and then connect to your drive, Google Drive. Connect to your Google. So how to do that? Let's start now. I'll go here, Google and Google Colab. Just open. And now new notebook. Are you able to work with me, team? Okay. New notebook. Then go to runtime, change runtime to GPU, change runtime to GPU. Once you change runtime to GPU, just click on this icon, runtime, change runtime GPU, save, and close, refresh, connect to Google Drive. Let's refresh. Do you see the drive is refreshed? Just let me know everyone is done. So you have to connect to the drive. Okay. Kavya, after changing runtime to GPU, what should we do? Just select on this one. Select on left pan. This part, guys. See the freshers who can work with me, you can continue. Once you select to the file, okay, connected. Okay, now you can you can click this. You can mount a drive. Once you mount a drive, do you see my cursor? It will ask for a Google Drive permission. You can check the Google Drive permission. And once you Google Drive the permission, just type this code. Command not found. Just 1 second. One moment. I think I'll do it again. Let me open now. Google Colab. Welcome to Colab. Now new notebook. Runtime. Change runtime to GPU. Save. So are you following, guys? The new students? Yes. Okay. Now click this in 2 minutes. Okay. I'll open a new file now. And do you see Mount Drive? Click on Mount Drive and connect to the drive. Okay. Do you see this drive is connected now? So I want you to everyone to connect to the drive. Let me know once you're done. So once you NVIDIA SMI, okay, done everyone guys? That's good. Now let's try. So the code, so let me know once you're done. I'm just waiting for everyone. Once you completed, the first step is I'll copy entire code and let me paste here. Copy entire code and let me paste here. So once you paste, just execute everyone. The link which I shared to you, this is the link guys I shared to you. Copy this link and chart window, everyone. Do you see computer whiz group? I already told you from Wikipedia, from where the computer whiz group we created. Just once you're done, please let me know. Do you see what is error we getting? The error we getting is no module named Naresh. You click this link, man. Click this link. Once you click this link, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you get this file. You get the path. This is the, options you get it. Just copy this. Yeah. So you get error module not found. Everyone got this error or not? So now what we try to do, we install this model. Now code, can you please write this code as, what do you need to write guys? You need to write pip install diffusers. Pip install diffusers. So let's go ahead and let me install now. Okay, now let's see. Just we're installing. Now, can you run above code now? Let me know once everybody install, guys. Everyone install now. Okay, sorry. I think I have to connect to the GPU, guys. I'm sorry. I haven't connected to GPU now. Which code? This code, dear, this code, pip install diffuser. Let's copy and I will share to the chart to everyone. This is the code. Two minutes. Runtime, change runtime to GPU save. And now connect it. Just 1 second. Connect to Google Drive. 2 minutes. Now refresh it. One second. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, I will do one more time. So the first step, pip install diffuser. Just go to my query, install this. Once you install, the code you copy from GitHub, stability.ai GitHub, AI GitHub, and paste after that. Very simple. Successful install. Very good. Now let's go ahead. And do you see for me also successful installed? Able to see this guys installing collected packages. That's great. And this code I copied from here or not? This is very simple applications. So if I copy this code and I'm going to paste here now, let's go ahead and try. So once you try, check this. Now I'm saying a photo of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars. Do you see this? Now the code which prior you execute, it's showing error, right team? Now it does not show any error to you. Check this. Check this. Now the model is, if you see this code, we are downloading stable diffusion pipeline from pre-trained model comp with stable diffusion version 1.4. Do you see this? Create sample. No, you don't need to type anything. You don't need to type anything. Guys, you don't need to type anything. I'll tell you what to type. So this is simple way we try to do that. I'll make it easy so that you guys can do it. Darshanikant. How many of them get key error? No, that means you connect to the GPU, got it successfully. Very good, Kavya. Sir, error. Wait, Alex, wait. Let me finish. It's running on, and copy, chart, and everyone paste. Done. I shared the code. Copy and do it. Do you see my code is running, guys, now? Do you see 100% done? Okay. Now you got sample error for you. Sample error for you guys. Okay, just one moment. So wait. Okay, I want to check. For me also, I got sample error. Just one moment. And I copy now. I'll create a new platform and execute. Now run. Just close it. Just wait. Can you please change images? We have images now or sample. Can you go to the above code? Guys, instead of sample, can you change the code to images? Okay, because please let's do so. And let me know once you're done. Now, do you see here the astronaut ride horse PNG created or not? Just double click on it. Do you see this, guys? I can generate my images, guys. Sir, WebEx. So team, does my voice is clear, everyone? Team, does my voice is clear? Okay, one moment, one moment. Yes, I hope it's working. How many of them done? Saurav, just calm down. I'll tell you everything. We just get a one practical. I'll explain everything. It's showing. So how many of them done this project? So I just make it easy. So once make it easy, we write a code now and everything I'll explain. So that's why I'm going to take more than 2 hours of this session. Understand, Saurav? Now, done, sir. Are you able to see this image now? Double click on it. Can you write any more images now? Can you try to, I can say like, I'll change my code elephant.png and the photo of elephant are in the jungle. Let me double execute one more time. And do you see? Now let me execute the code. Once it is done, just wait. So just let's refresh now. I think it's going on. Let's refresh elephant PNG. Do you see this, guys? Fantastic image has created. Now you can download the image. Just go ahead and you can download. So once you download, you can read the file path. Just 1 second. Elephant PNG. Do you see? This is my generated AI images, guys. Are you understand what's meant by generative AI projects practicals? So we're doing a first practicals. So guys, are you able to see? Interesting, understandable all these codes? Let me know yes or no. Let me tell you how many of them completed. How many of them completed? No, man, it's not showing key error. Most of them completed. Most of them completed. Very good. But now let's understand one by one. Complete. You can try many more images after the class. Okay, it will take some time. You need a high good Wi-Fi internet connections, then only these things would work. You cannot work these things on your CPU because it might throw you in bug. It might throw you in bug. So in this code, first, from torch, what is meant by torch? Torch is a deep learning. Yes, is there a way that instead of text prompt, we give an image as prompt and ask, do it editing? Meenakshi, just calm down. The prompt, see, machines has to understand now. Yes, stable diffusion has a model, image to image. So that's why we go to another workshop. All right, Meenakshi. So today we just work on text to image generations and using, so look at the code. Torch. Torch is a deep learning library. What is meant by autocast? Autocast means automatic typecasting. So what exactly it does? So it automatically cast operations, okay, its precisions based on, because these float 16 or float 32, it reduce memory usage on computational hardware such as NVIDIA GPU. So are you working in GPUs or not? In GPU, sometimes automatically we have to work these images with different compatibility, okay, to reduce memory. These are the pre-trained model. So to adjust all the model, we can use the autocast library. So that's what, if you see your AutoCast serves as a context managers of decorators that allow regions of your script to run mixed precision in these regions. Okay, so I hope understand the library which we used to manage your precisions, or maybe to work with float 16 or float 32, it can understand. And in backward passes under autocast are not recommend, because if you're working in GPU, then only it is recommend, guys. Next one. From diffusion, which pipeline we introduce? Stable diffusion pipeline. So stable diffusion pipeline, as we introduce this, as we build a stable diffusion model, we introduce this. Do you see comp viz now? Kanaya, you can work later. Okay, Kanaya, because you are the first time, maybe you are a, so just you, we try to work with another thing. Key error. Anyone got key error, guys? No. So comp viz is diffuser. Yes, yes. Okay. So CompViz, this is one of the pre-trained model to use pipeline with CUDA versions. CUDA means if your system is CPU, then you can say CUDA version is no. If your system is GPU, then CUDA version is yes. And we write a prompt, and with AutoCast CUDA, it's images generated. Access image using images key instead of sample. So instead of sample, we can use a generated as keys, guys. Now I hope understand. So I didn't write any code in this practical. So what I done, I just opened my GitHub. Which GitHub, guys? I opened the stability.ai compviz. I told you what is compviz. If you refer to the Wikipedia, that's what I told you, to open the Wikipedia. In the Wikipedia, it is clearly mentioned technical license model was released by CompViz group. Okay, so this group released, and this is the GitHub they created, and they gave this code, and we develop a very simple applications, which is text prompt to image. Guys, are you understand? We haven't write any code. We just implement a few library, and then we can go, we build this. Now the next step, text prompt. So what is the next step? So the next step, let me close this. If anyone completed, you can save it. I can save it as workshop. Okay, so SF saved, SF get, and okay, so we just save it, practical number one. I can save it as practical number one, and I'll close it. And then I think, check this now. Okay, NVIDIA. I'm surprised why it's not working. Check me this. Do you see, out of 15 GB, okay, we spent almost 13,253 GB we finished, guys. Do you see this, guys? When you work this code 3 times, what happened? Your memory is filled. You're getting error. Are you able to check this code? Are you able to write this code, everyone? Are you able to write this code? NVIDIA SMI. So what exactly happens? So the moment when you try this, so by default, if you see this graph, okay, we have 15 GB RAM. I mean, GPU provides. And if you see this, we almost done 12. So if you run another image, might you encounter with error. Guys, are you clear, team, up to this? Did you saved it? And now close. Once you saved, closed it. Can we go to the next practical? Can we go to the next practical? Let me finish the next practical. Before I go to the next practical, how many of them completed? How many of them completed? Let me check. Just type D. SS. Okay. Sheikh, any question to you? Done. Very good. Very good. Done. Completed. Fantastic, guys. Let's go ahead. And so here, this practical we finished today. This one we practice. Let's go to the next one. Now I try to engaging. We try to connect with Hugging Face and PyTorch. Let's go ahead and do this. The same things we work in this one. But before that, I want to try to understand how it works inside. And that's why a little, just give me 5 minutes. We'll try to understand the architecture of it. And then we build another practical. And I'll type, let's see, because we try to generate this image slide from current slide. If you see this architecture of stable diffusion, understand, see this, what happened here? The prompt, a user enter a prompt, an image of strawberry sushi. Okay. So the moment when enter a prompt, okay, in front end or in code, it refer to clip text encoder. Okay, this is transformers again. We have a clip architectures. What is clip? What is clip architecture? I already take one workshops about GANs and clip architecture and VQ GAN transformers. I already covered one workshops about this. The moment when user a prompt, it reach out to the clip text encode and it will convert to the text embedding vectors. It will reach to the UNet with attention. We have self-attention, multi-head attention, and latent seed Gaussian noise created from the latent, and then conditional latent created, then image is decorated. And if you not find this image at the first epoch, so again, keep iterations done until the real image will generate, guys. So here, I know some of them understand, some of them not understand. So these are the new terms, transformers and coders. You have to know that. But before that, I try to explain in layman terms. Stable diffusion explanations 1. So the graph which I'm showing you, I'll post this documents to you so you can read that and understand. First, what is clip text encoder? This component encode the text prompt. Encode means what, guys? Input an image of strawberry sushi into numeric representations or embedding. Understand, guys, what is clip text encoder does? So it will take the text from the user and it will convert the image to the numerical representations. It will embed it to the similarity vector. So this is a pre-trained model like clip. Clip means contrastive language image pre-training. So this pre-trained model, you have thousands of billions of images internally loaded in the pre-trained model, guys. And the meaning text and convert format the model can process. Guys, are you understand what is meant by clip text encoder? Are you able to try to understand or not? Very simple. What exactly it happened, guys? I mean to say, if a user enter a prompt, it will convert to the text encoder and convert to the vectors. Okay, and clip it is a pre-trained model. We trained with multiple images using pre-trained model. Understand? After that, just go to the next one. Numeric, exactly. Vina binary code. So right now, what I'm trying to, these are the topics which you have to understand. But as we have a two more practical, I need to finish. But try to understand this. Latent seed. This is a random vector of numbers that serves the starting point of image generations process. So latent seed is this. So whenever we trained here, okay, it will generate the images, guys. It will create the latent seed. It will considered as a first image generation. How it works, the latent seed initialize with Gaussian noise. So first clip retrain model we load internally. It call all the images with noise. It's not called with maybe cleaned images. Those are the pre-trained images we have. It filled with random values drawn from a Gaussian distributions. So these things, maybe few of them understand, but the one who completed data scientist, they can understand the courses, all those things. Noise scheduler. UNIT. What is UNIT? This is core of diffusion model. So the diffusion model means internally the UNIT is a deep neural network architecture that learns to predict the noise pattern present in the latent seed. So that's why I'm shared this document and you can understand. And all these things, concepts done by your Hugging Face. So that's what we cannot things manually. It will take more time, guys. Understand? So what is overall steps? Encode, input the text prompt, encode into numbers, initialize the image Gaussian noise, then denoising using UNIT deep learning framework. We can denoise the noise and text embedding, and then based on the input text, it started generating image using decoding. This is a very simple way you can find out, guys. So the final output of an strawberry image is created like this. Understand? So here the technical terms: clip architecture, unit with attention, latent seed, encode, decode. Let's go ahead and I write down. So the 14th one we have as diffusion architecture. The first one we have encode. Encoding means user input text. Then clip, contrastive model transformers, which has pre-trained model with multi-billion or trillion images. It's internally it has. And then latent seed. So in the latent seed, what happened? It will generate the first step of image generated noise. Okay. And after that, diffusion model unit. So unit architecture. So what exactly does this is the main core of diffusion model, core of diffusion model, and then decoding. So decoding the text. So when you learn these codes, you try to understand it better. I mean, user get the output, guys. So encode, decode. So this is simple way you try to understand this one. So this is diffusion model, stable diffusion model architecture. So next go to project 2 now. Next go to project 2. Again, everyone, same way, open Google Colab and select on runtime, GPU, and then connect to your drive. So let's do it one more time, guys. Let's do it one more time. Shall we do it, guys, everyone? Just try this. Go ahead and, okay, just Google and again, Google Colab, open it and welcome to open this now. And once you open new notebook and new notebook, and then runtime, change runtime to GPU, save it, check once you save, it save, okay, save, and connect to your drive. Manage session. I think earlier we connected to the drive. So first one, terminate this session. I don't want terminate other sessions, guys. Okay. Now close. This session is terminated. Now go back and Wait for some time. Now mount it, connect to the Google Drive and run this. Execute. Okay. So continue. Continue. One second. It's connecting. Okay. Do you see? I got a message as connected. So let's refresh. Are you able to connect it? Second step. Please connect to the Google Drive now. Done. So we're doing a second project now, guys. We're doing a second project. Done. Just go ahead and I mention code. Done. Very good. Now listen to me. And so till up to this, we done front end and then we use GitHub code. But now we can develop our own code using Python class and functions. Okay. We can use the class and functions, and let's try work with me as well. And I'll try. If any error, you can also let me know. The first one. So guys, are you mounted? Just please give a confirmation. Okay, yes. Good. Let's try. So I want to install pip install and upgrade diffusers library. And once diffusers library, transformers and Q. So transformers Q. So what exactly I'm trying to do here? So in this first path, I'm trying to install a diffuse library transformers. So let's check pip install, upgrade, diffusers, DFFU transformers, and Q. Just go ahead and install this. Okay, do you see the libraries are installing? The libraries are installing, guys. Okay. Just wait. So please, you can type with me. Okay, fantastic. So once you install, you don't need to do second time, guys. You don't need to do second time. Now I want to write from path, import path. Okay. And import TQDM. What is TQDM? So this is an Arabic word, TQDM. The moment when install, do you see we get the bars or not, guys? We get the bars here. So that's called TQDM. And then we import torch and import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, and then from diffusers, I want to import pipeline stable. Okay, diffusers pipeline, and then okay, so from transformers import pipeline set underscore seed. Okay, so I have I think next one, anything I left, numpy pandas. Okay, we need visualizations. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt and import cv2. Let me let's have, we create a path like okay, please scroll up. Okay, sorry guys. So guys, everyone mount to the drive. Let me know. Then please copy and I will post in the chat, everyone, and install this. And once you install, I post the path, guys. Sivaji, I post, and Saurav, I give it to you. Let me check. Do I have anything I think I miss here from path library? Okay, this is what path library. Import path, import torch, pandas is PD, numpy. From diffusers, okay, we import a stable diffusion pipeline. Okay, so stable check stable diffusers pipeline. Diffusion's pipeline. I think it's wrong here. Wait, STABLE. Okay, do you see the pipeline? It is created. I don't want this. Okay, stable diffusion pipeline. Automatic my code suggestions is given to me. Okay, and I think we miss one from, it's deleted, right guys? Transformers. I'm not calling clip architectures, import pipeline and set underscore seed. Let me tell you, and I'll execute cv2 matplotlib.pyplot. Can you please write all this code, guys? Can you please write all this code? Are you done? Pipeline set underscore seed. I'll explain all those things from diffuser, import, stable diffusion pipeline. Okay, now let's execute. Done. Okay, let's execute everyone. Let me know if you create any error. Let me know if you create any error. It's not, it's working fine. Check this, capital D and capital P, capital S. All right, import. And then, okay, this is pipeline is a small, guys. It's not capital. So that's what I mentioned. Do you see I got the recommended PIPELINE? Can you please change to small p and set underscore seed and set underscore seed. Let's go ahead and execute. Please execute one more time. Done, team? Check again. Check again. I want to type or I will share this. Team, I hope most of them are left now. Okay. We done this, guys. Okay, very good. Now I create a configurations class. Okay. I create a configurations class. And in the configurations class, okay, so I want to CUDA because we have CUDA versions. We work with this one and seed equal to 42 and generator is equals to, let's try generator. I think one moment, manual seed because it's giving me torch dot, sorry, cannot import name path from path live. It's capital P, Darshanikant, capital P, capital P. Can you please change to capital P? Let me finish, guys, because I am CFG configurations file, CUDA device, seed 42, some import torch. Okay, thank you. Pip install upgrade diffuser. All right. Just wait. We generate this one. Okay, manual seed. So the next one, I try to create a image generation steps equal to 15. Already 15 or any values you can pass. That's okay. And okay, I just try to image underscore gen. Let's try to call the model ID from, guys, are you able to, did you log into your Hugging Face? Did you log into the Hugging Face? 1 second. I will share this. This is Hugging Face model. Just copy and share to everyone. Copy and share to everyone. Can you please log into this link, dear team? Can you please log into this link? Once you log into this link, do you see this? Hugging Face provide the open source model to us. And if you read this stable diffusion 2.1 model is fine tuned. So this is fine tuned. So that's what I said yesterday workshop, building and fine tune stable diffusion model. I'm going to copy this model and just go back to my code and paste here. So are you able to get this model? Yes or no? Please let me know. Gen underscore size equals to 400, comma 400. You can say any 500 and 500 as well. It's up to you because it's by default 400 literal. It's saying, and then image gen, the guidance I can say scale equal to by default 7.5, but I changed to 9 here. And then prompt. So to create a prompt model ID. Okay, so not GPT-2. One second, I'll go back to the path again. I can log into GPT Omni model. Just do you see everything I get in from this is open source? I'll copy, and this is latest model created by OpenAI. And then, okay. And then I'll explain all those things, no problem. So prompt, wait. I create all these variables, guys. Data set underscore size. Okay, what is meant by local variable? What is meant by global variable? Anyone? What's meant by, uh, you know, instance variable or class variable? Instance variable or class variable? And prompt max. So which we define inside the class, it is instance variable, which we define the variable outside of the class, outside of the init, outside of the init. What do we call, guys? It's a class variable. Okay. Now 12. All right. So anyone. So class level. Exactly. Inside init. No, that's not function, Minakshi. I'm talking about instance variable, class variable, static variable. Instance variable we define inside the init, class variable we defined outside the init method. All right. Yeah. So next question. Are you able to get this file? Please let me know. Are you able to write this? And let me know how you got this output. I didn't execute. I'm just telling you to write. And once I write, I'll explain what are the things we've been done so far. We create a configured class, and I want you to finish this. And I will share this one is in Hugging Face. Okay. You connect stable diffusion model from stability.ai. So here, this one also from Hugging Face, we are, okay, these are the open source. This is a free model, so we no need to pay anyone here. Let me know once you covered. I want you to type. Okay. Image, I'll tell you. Let me check. Image gen steps. Okay, where where is the spelling? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. IMAGE. Thank you, Bhupinder. So please, you have to mention this model very carefully because we need to download the pre-trained model from this library. So length 2. Okay, LENGTH. Length. All right. Okay, let me any spelling mistakes, guys? Guidance scales and prompt gen model ID. This is Omni model. We Hugging Face with OpenAI. This is all open source. So prompt data set size 6, prompt max length 12. So for that, let me tell you but before that, I'll copy all those things, and I will share to you everyone and then enter. Can you please copy and for me also execute? I'll check one more time because don't be hurry to execute the code, but actually let me tell you what was the use of Omni model. Omni model is an OpenAI model because we try to integrate with OpenAI model to Hugging Face to fetch the data because in upcoming, yeah. So please paste important models. I already pasted in the classroom. Can you check? Okay. GUIDANCE, scale 9. You can use Omni model, GP2 model, because we try to integrate with these models, guys, from dataset size. Okay, now let's execute. And I will tell you what exactly done. Let's understand the code. First step, we connect to the Google Drive. We upgrade stable diffusion transformers, diffuser transformers. And the third one, path library. The path class from the path library module. This is the class. Okay. This is the class from path library module. Okay, in Python, it's a powerful tool for working with file systems. When you work with file systems, so do you see we haven't created any path like C drive? In a local system, we can create a folder, guys, but in here, everything happened automatically. So that's why to manage all the path, it provides simple and very easy way to handle files and directory path. Understand what is meant by path, guys? Yes or no? Next, TQDM. I'll give you all the library explanations after the class. After complete the today workshop, I'll mention a detailed library list. I'll give you TQDM. What is meant by TQDM? So TQDM is a simple loop. You get progress bar. Do you remember, guys? Whenever you install any library, you get the bars or not. Installing 90%, 100%, 20%. So this is all like a loops. In backend, we're running a loops and cannot from. It's a capital P, guys. Path lib, lib. Darshanikant's spelling is wrong. Check it. Understand? Torch. Torch is the deep learning framework. Torch is the deep learning framework. Now I'll copy this one. Now pandas, you know, data frame, NumPy, metrics, stable diffusion pipeline. As we know, this is the one of the module which import from diffuser library. Transformers. This is the transfer. Do you know? I was explain the architecture, clip architectures from the transformers, import pipeline, and set seed. What is meant by set seed? Set seed means we seed the random generator values here. We, team, I hope understand, install libraries, all those things, TQDM, class CFG, and this is set seed and matplotlib CV2. CV2 is for which library? OpenAI, I mean, computer vision library, guys. So we import all the library to develop a backend code only using Python. We don't use any paid versions. All are open source, and we develop this code. Now next one. So guys, are you done? Copy and let's to send to everyone and paste here. Completed this, guys. Next. So in here, we configure a class. We configure a class. In the class, once we configure the class device, okay, what is meant by device? Indicates the device used for computations. We have CUDA versions GPU because we activate GPU or not, guys. So that means it is a CUDA versions. And seeds 42, we set the seeds to 42. It's kind of a fixed seed of random number generations, because whenever the random numbers will generate, then only the image will be generated from the random numbers. Understand? And generator, okay, we have generator means it generate the random number using seed and devices. So here we create all these variables, guys. Image gen steps, 35 steps. We import the model from diffusion, and size you can mention 400 and 400. You can mention 500 to 500 as well. And what is guidance scale? This parameter controls how closely generated images exactly provided from the prompts. Based on this one, we created guidance scales. And why we use these parameters? We use these parameters because in after that, when we write a define function, we use the parameters and we connect everything. And this is prompt model. It identifier, the someone asked why GPT-4 mentioned. This is identifier for the model used to generate prompts. To generate a prompts, we create this GPT model or not, chat GPT. So prompts are generated. So that's why I create a prompt for this model. I use prompt generations for this one. And data set size, how the prompts are included in the data sets for generations. I mean, how many different variety of prompts, and maximum length of the prompt is generated prompts. I think 12 it mentioned this one. So after the class, what I done, I will share all the details of for what purpose we created this. I will give it to you. So let's go ahead and uh, execute it one more time. It's done. So guys, are you done so far up to this? Up to this, are you done? Now, see this. Okay. First, I want to, let's image gen model. I'll try to create the image generations model. The first one, STABLE, stable diffusion pipeline, stable diffusion pipeline. Okay. Where from, I have to call pre-trained. Okay. So this is pre-trained. And then do you see I generate my all the content tab? But before that, I'll check again. Sorry, if anyone's using open source pretend, then there will be copyright. No man, Saurav, why the copyright will happen? Why the copyright happen? Okay. So there's a NumPy would be open source again. Are you understand, Saurav? Now, when you build a data analysis project, shouldn't be copyright. Company will pay for it. Company will pay for it. Okay. Yeah. So no problem. So let's image Zen model, stable diffusion pipeline from pre-trained. Can you please write this, guys? CFG, we create a class or not? CFG and image generations model ID. And here I don't make multiple steps here. Tots underscore float 16 and FP16. Just one moment. So the revision is FP16 we've been done. Okay, let's keep it as a new as well. Use auth token. Okay. Now here, can you please create an authorization token from Hugging Face? Can you please create a token from Hugging Face? Do you see, go to Hugging Face, settings and access tokens. How many has auth tokens, guys? Hugging Face. May I know, please? Go to this, Ishwar, you has. Now, can you copy? Okay, Ishwar. So the one who already now running. Okay. Now the one who has auth token, can you go back and 1 second? Okay, just 2 minutes. Auth token, I just mentioned my auth token. Don't copy mine. You can use your auth token, guys. Guidance underscore scale equals to 9. Try that. Something is wrong here. Wait, I'll review Google. So guys, can you tell me how to get sir auth? Okay. So let me tell you how to, next point. Can you please generate your auth tokens, guys? 15th, 16th. To create, log into huggingface.com. Everyone. The one who has not generated Hugging Face, please log into the huggingface.com. Everyone. Guys, will you work with me or you left? So guys, are you understanding or not, team? So will we complete the 2 projects? Will we complete the 2 projects? Yes. Oh, that's good response, man. Fantastic. So you definitely learn a lot of things today. We learn Python. There's a lot of things, man. This is new platforms. Trust me. We use fantastic concepts. I bought it today. So everyone log into the Hugging Face, and you know how to log in this Hugging Face like you have same as usual. I mean to say you can log into your set up your accounts, and for example, Hugging Face. Do you see Hugging Face? It's already I logged in. Once you have registered yourself, Once you registered yourself, you get your profile, and you can validate yourself by Gmail ID. And what is Hugging Face is very powerful company, which the Hugging Face is a company, American company, which famous for pre-trained models, LLM large language model data sets, and multiple documents. You have also Hugging Face as hub, where you can generate, you can connect to the Hugging Face and fetch all the model with open source, or else you can't work these practicals, guys. So once you go back, you have to log in like this. Once you log in, go to setting, and do you have setting here? And once you go to setting access tokens and create a new token, guys, do you see create a new token? And let me know once you create a new token. Let me know once you've done the new tokens, guys. I'm waiting for you. So it will take some time. It will take some time. Yes. Because also, okay, done. Bhupinder. Okay, very good, Bhupinder. Are you get access auth token, guys? So asking for user. Yeah, you can give a permission, user permission. You can click yes, Rahul. Done. Okay. Okay. So once you're done, done, sir. And I'll share you one model, stable diffusion. Copy and chart. Can you please click this link? The link which I paste you. Can you please click this link? Are you able to read this? Are you able to read this, or is it asking for any? Are you able to find this one, guys? Any error now? The moment when I give you this link to you? See, we are stable diffusion model integrate to Hugging Face. This is called. And I fetch pre-trained model in my code. Are you got this copy? You copy the file, copy model. Do you see? When you click your cursors, copy model name to clipboard. Copy the model and go to the code and paste here. And paste here. It's better you paste here. If it's running for you, then it's fine. I just missed one line. Okay. How many of them done, guys? Are you working? Are you working, team? Please let me know. Yes, sir. Execute. Do you see, guys? It has to be, this is called TQDM. The bars are generating or not without error. Sir, have you taken any workshop on LangChain already? Yeah, Meenakshi, I think we had a connection lost for bin time. So I've been done almost like 10 workshops in generative AI, LLM models, LangChain, Langsmith, and LangGraph I'm going to do very soon, and Hugging Face, Llama models, Gemini models. There's a lot of, and multi-agents, Creo AI, a lot of things we've been done. So guys, please write properly this thing. Do you understand? I see. Yeah. Okay. Do you see an error occurred? Hugging Face stability dot default unsafe. Okay. So I think, did I copy this now? 2 minutes. and here. So let me copy this model text fetching. That's fine. So guys, are you able to install this? Let me check if error comes, then we can try to solve it later. Let me know once you've done this, guys. Let me know once you done this while trying to fetch Alex and done, sir. Okay, Rahul, very good, Rahul. Alex, why the error generates? Alex done. Okay, fantastic. Nikita, can you copy above code, sir? Yeah. So copy it and wait. I have my to everyone and just this. I delete my auth token. You can use your auth token, guys. Yeah, so defaulting could pass allow pickle to reach instead. Wait. An error occurred while try to fetch Swati. Unable to see screen. No, you can able to see the screen, guys. Wait. So for me, it's download an error occurred while trying to fetch root cache Hugging Face hub models stability.ai. Okay. Okay. Try to check. Let's see the code. I will write if any error. I will try to fix the model or else I'll try to see. Define generate image and I want to pass prompt and model to model. Okay, we pass an argument now, prompt and model. And I would say image equals to model. Okay, do you see? Okay, model we done. And then automatic, the things would be created. Tab. So let's remove this. And now model prompt. Okay, number of steps. We can image dot gen. Do I have image underscore gen steps here? Okay, yeah, steps 35. All right, and generator. Okay, so the image equals to, let's image dot, no, wait. Just 1 second. Image dot resize. No, I want to pass to generate this image. CFG. Okay, that's good. I hope. Just try this. Okay. GE prompt comma. Where is comma missing, guys? Okay, generator, CFG generator. Generator, right? No, wait. I think here I create a prompt. This guidance scale. Wait. GUI. 2 minutes. Guidance underscore scale. Okay. Unexpected. Hmm. Written image. Just let me check. I think. Oh, okay. So guys, are you working after images 0? No, comma is not required after images 0. It's not required, buddy. Comma is not required. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Couldn't connect to the hub client error. One moment, guys. One moment. Now try this. Yeah, it's working. It's working now. Just go ahead and check it. 2 minutes. One second. Let's close this. Okay, guys, are you done this or not? Let me share this code to you. Copy and let me use in the chat window. Can you try this? So which error you encounter? Participant 74. Okay, chat window. Ishwar couldn't connect to the hub 401 client error. Ishwar, so what you try to do, did you log into the Hugging Face? Once you log into the Hugging Face, you got access token. And once you have access token, okay, you just go to create your new token and create the new token. Okay, in the code which you pasted, you have to paste your Hugging Face ID here. Can you please paste? Okay, that's why you got this error. Try that. Okay, yeah, done. Pasted. I had pasted, sir. CUDA driver version is insufficient. Can you check your property size now? Did you connect to the GPU? Did you connect to the GPU? So what exactly I try to done here, guys? We just define a function. All these images, whatever we created, we just define a function here. Now, sir, uh, should we create or read? Wait. Now I'll try to generated underscore image. I want to generate a forest image, and from image underscore gen underscore model. Just go ahead and try. Okay, generated GENE. Okay, image is not defined. Why it is not defined? No, it's already I defined, guys. Where exactly I define here? Okay, let's wait. So definitely we should get error, and I try to fix it. I'm trying to check from the beginning. And also I will share this code. Please use that. It's working for you, Chaudhary? It's working? Yes. Okay, this error it's working. For me, name generated image. Wait. For everyone is working, guys? It's for working for me also. Fantastic. Wait. Okay. Generate image. Very good, guys. Fantastic. I think for you it's working. Stable diffusion model. That's good. Let me check. Did I miss anything here? CFG, CUDA, 42, torch, generator, device, manual seed. So check that function again and execute. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. No, I'm checking here. It's saying image gen steps. All right. Image gen model ID, image gen size, image gen guidance underscore scale 9, prompt gen model ID. Okay. Prompt dataset size, prompt max length. That's fine. So here, I think somewhere is miss while I define this model. Image gen model, all right. And stable diffusion pipeline from pre-trained. Generate, no, I use generate underscore image. No, wait. Let me, I was wrong. Is it? Wait. Oh, okay. My bad. GNARATE. Yeah. Ah, cool. Thanks. Yeah, it's solved now. Done. Amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Now, guys, solved. Fantastic. No, because sometimes what happened, yeah, we have to check because great man, great. Are you able to see? Are you enjoying, guys? So today you learn, please mention these projects on your resume. Okay. Now let's copy. I try to do something as well. Okay. Now rather than the forest, I could say kids are dancing. Kids are dancing. Okay, just go here. Completed. Very good, guys. So would you promise me after the YouTube, are you guys likes and comments expected from you? Isn't it? Just try that. Sir, can you please share the code? Which one, dear? So this one, I'll copy. This one define. Sir, how many images can we generate through this technique, or does it? Chaudhary, can you check your now NVIDIA SMI? Can you try? Oh, nice, man. Kids are dancing, isn't it? See this kid. It's not a real kid. It is generated by model. It is generated by model. Are you able to see, guys? It is generated. So this is called generative AI practical we done along with Hugging Face, PyTorch with Python class and functions and all those things. Can we do last practical? Can we do last projects? Can we do last projects, everybody? Yes, yes. How many of them want to do with me? How many of them want to do with me? Okay, now me. So can we train the model with our own images? If you train our own images, sort of, then you can develop with your CNN task as well. In deep learning model, you can do it like TensorFlow, Keras. You can try with your own images. So this is generated images. I haven't trained any images, guys. The data trained from internet, isn't it? There's a text, and from the text to images are generated. So how many of them want third projects, final projects? Code, please, one line code. Generate image. You want to share you? Okay, I want to share. Okay, let's copy and chart. Ishwar, guys, सबका हो गया कि नहीं? Ishwar आइंदा. Okay, last line of code. Guys, update me once done. So please let me know how many of them completed. Please let me know how many of them completed. No, okay, Ishwar, నేను code పంపిస్తా. You can try that. I will share my GitHub. You can work on this after the class. Awesome. Very good, Mayank. Completed. Alex, now done. We know. So in this code, see, let's say a guy from local, a guy doesn't know English. Okay. So a person doesn't know English and he want to type it in Hindi. ठीक है. तो मैंने what I'm trying to do. So which type of token we should use? No, you don't need to Hugging Face, Ishwar. Just go to the auth token. I have one projects for Hugging Face. You can watch that. You can understand. Create a new token and then you can write your token name and add it. Got it. All right. Yeah. See, guys, what happened in this code? I'll copy, I'll mention here. Let's see, I want to write a Hindi. Now, let's say Google and language translations. And I can say like, just convert English to Hindi. English to Hindi. I write, India people are celebration Ganesh idol immersion. ठीक है? Guys, you getting my point? We are celebrate our Ganesh idol immersion, right? So मैंने उसको ये file को copy कर दिया and let's copy it. And then in the same code, go to the code and I'll paste here and just execute. Wow. Guys, are you able to see that or not? I think let's wait. Is it generated? Actually, okay, this is not a right image, correct, guys? This is not a right image. Is it right image, guys? No, this is not, because sometimes models also confused, isn't it? So that's why to work this project, let's do a small projects, and please save the file SD with Hugging Face and PyTorch, Hugging Face PyTorch, and yeah, Omni. We create a prompt using GPT-4 Omni. Yeah, the new OpenAI GPT model, OpenAI GPT model. We done that. All right. Just let's save it, guys. Let's save it. So, guys, completed this one. Can I share to you file download? You can download all the file, or you can save the file. File save. Guys, if you give me 30 minutes, we can complete. If you give me 30 minutes, we can. As I told you, this is, I'm going to take 2.5 hours. We just complete 2 hours. So please stay with me. How many of them want to work? Sir, please repeat, create own tokens. Okay, Amit, very simple. You go here and you can create a settings. And once you upload all those details here, save changes. And once you find, you have to check your Gmail. In the Gmail, they will share to verify. You have to verify it, then only the tokens will create, guys. Access tokens, and then create a new token and a token name as all LLM. Okay. And token for projects. And I can say projects underscore token. And once you token this, guys, let's go here and user permissions, repositories. You have to select everything. And for all the steps, I already created my own. So you have to select everything and create tokens. The moment when you create a token, the token will create. Okay, Amit, try that. If not, okay. Now I'll save this code. Don't close this code, guys. Don't close this code. I will create a new notebook now. Just go to, I'll create a new Google. So let's do this file, and I can try as Google Colab. Let's open here. Shall we do, guys? Shall we get ready for final project? Shall we get ready for final projects? Yes. New notebook. New notebook. Once we go to the new notebook, very good. Let me go ahead to the new notebook, and I'll create new notebook. So guys, so this notebook I already created. I have some spaces. Just try that runtime and change runtime to GPU and save. So you have to disconnect this. How do you disconnect? Did you save everyone? Runtime, disconnect and delete runtime. Yes. Disconnect and delete runtime. Are you done? Disconnect and delete runtime. And after that, okay, it's done. Now go file here and try to runtime, change runtime to GPU, save, and again, same, connect this again. And let's mount, connect to Google Drive. Third project, multi-language understanding. Now let's do that. Multi-language text prompt to image generations. We have a project in upcoming classes. I'll upload how to work with image prompt to image. Let's try. I'm working on it. Then we'll go for a workshop. Let me know, are you connected? Third practical, guys. Third projects. Once you're done, update me. Yes, completed. Very good, Rahul. Okay, appreciate Darsanikant done. Connected. Who else? Who else? Okay, this part also we done, guys. Now the next one. Let's try NVIDIA SMI execute. Oops. Do you see this file? Okay, 15 GB. We're using 0 MB now. Do you see the project which we're going to do now? We're going to use 0 MB. Do not close this file. The project which we done earlier, do not close. Almost same projects, just few lines code. I'm going to create a new code. Create a new lines of code. Okay. Now done this. So here in prior code, do you see we install this or not? Pip install upgrade. Now I'm going to write a first line pip install For multi-language, we try to hit to the Google API. For that, I want to do pip install, and there's a package called Google Translate. Google Trans equals to 3.1.0 a 0. This is a Google Translate. The moment when I install this library, what happened? It hit to the Google API and it fetched the language, whatever you write, guys, and it generate a prompt. So this is one of the fantastic. So you can implement in real time as well. Just go ahead and execute, then install the tool library. So collecting all these things, let me copy them and post in my chat window. Just post in my chat window. So guys, are you doing it? Okay, don't leave. Just appreciate your patience, because you should be happy that we're learning new concepts. So this would be successfully installed. Very good, Rahul. Done. To library. Understand? Stable diffuser model, transformers, and then Google Trans. Done this. All right. After done, so go back to the previous code. Do you see we write all the copy and the code we done before, guys? Import path library, TQDM, CV2. Rather than I already typed it before, so I don't want to waste the time. So I just enter here. So just go and check path library from path class TQDM to process the code not posted. Which code, Sahiti? This one? No, Sahiti, the one which you worked with me for second project. Okay, you want me to post pip install? Wait. This file, I'll post it. Just 2 minutes. Okay, first copy and chart everyone. Okay, can you please try this, guys? Okay, did you install? Let me know once you complete. Done. All of them done? Great. Okay, once you completed, clear. So just go here and I'll copy them and paste here. As we're working from Google Trans import translator. So from Google Tran, we install the library, we use translator, and then execute. So hey, no module name. Okay. So I think TRANS. Okay, Google Trans. Sorry. Execute. Yeah, S is missing. That's right. Yeah, Google Trans we successfully installed, right, guys? Yep. Just wait for some time. Okay, it's done. Let's copy and paste in the chat window. Done this, guys. Please copy and paste it. Now the third project will complete soon, because see, we already done the second projects, guys. Completed. Very good. Now, once you're done, I have to, last time in this code, I create a function for what, guys? I create a function for generated image. As I have a two use cases, I have to create a function for get translations. Okay, get translations, and we pass a text. From the text, we can language. Okay, lang, and I pass two parameters over here. Okay, that's nice. Tab, I got my responses as well. I create a variable for translator. Okay, and okay. So here, rather than translation, I can say translator dot text, translator text equal to any destination. Dest lang means destination language. Okay, whether it's Hindi, Telugu, you can try any languages, guys. So here I think written, I create translator. I think I need to pass this one. Let's copy and just paste here. One moment, let me check again. create a function with 2 argument and create a translator variable, which call this one translated text. Okay, and translate text to destination language. That's good. And translated. So return translated text dot exactly. The text is missing. That's right, buddy. Text. Just go ahead and execute now. Fantastic. Thanks. It's working. So just copy and I want to paste it here. Using very simple functions, we can do this, guys. All right, we're done. Clear now? Yes, Shivaji, done. Now, okay, do one thing. Do one thing here. Guys, are you completed? Please update me. Okay, done this, guys. So now I want to copy all the class, but don't copy. I want to add little changes here. Config class device CUDA seed 42. I'll use an exceptional handle. Means, you heard about try except finally. Exceptional exceptional handling, guys. Hey, Python, just try to run. Okay, wait. Try and generator. Hey, Python, try to generate. Okay, dot generator from the device, and I can use manual seed as oops, just wait, seed, and then accept. If when the accept block works, when you got bug, then it works. All right, accept, and I need accept error as well. So here exception as E. Okay, why we get exceptions? Because to see the error message, I want to print it. I want to print. Okay, and here error as, just go to E here, and I got the error message from here. That's right. And device, whether its device is in running CPU, it's CUDA, or still it works. Okay, so that's why we can generator is equals to torch dot generator, and again, and it pass a device and equals to no, I think device dot manual underscore seed, and seed. Done, guys. Okay, so here here one line of code I pasted. See, this code is both same, but I just write a exceptional handle here. I mean to say, you can say try to generator torch generator device manual seed is seed. Then if the error occurred, then accept the exceptions as E, and I print. Okay, wait, device CPU torch dot generator device manual seed. Okay, now I'm gonna copy same stable diffusion model, sir, inside print. Yeah, we inside print only. That's okay, no problem. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. It's not an issue. Just go ahead and check this. Guys, let's copy and I'll paste here. Try that. Check this. Are you done this, guys, now? Same model, stable diffusion model, which we execute before. I'm not changing anymore. I'm not changing anything because, okay. Now here, same code, I copy and execute again. Okay, same code I copy and I don't change anything over here. Let's run it again. Okay, let's work. Same code. I've just done the few changes over here. The same code, let it work. Yeah, just we added try block only. That's it, Mayank. Yeah, that's it. See, this code, that code, both are same, guys. Just one extra library I added to the code, okay, so that any languages my stable diffusion model can understand. So guys, done. We just write here. Okay, once we covered, fantastic. Again, what is the next line? The next line, define generated. In this code, I define one function. Now here, I already defined translate functions, guys. Do you see? In above, we mentioned define functions or not? Which one? So Google Translation functions, get translation. We done that. And here, the same code. Okay. Now, written image, just execute. Let's copy and paste here. Okay, everyone. Let's see, is it works now? What is the last prompt I copy here? Just I ask के भारत के लोग गणेश प्रतिमा विसर्जन का जश्न मना रहे हैं. ठीक है, just try now. Wait. I think something. Okay, maybe wait. Okay, execute one more time. Wait. No, this is okay. So one moment. So guys, can you try any? Yeah, send one moment. Google Translation. Okay. And I can change to Ganesh Festival India. So here, so I could say people are celebrate. It should work, man. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to be copy here. Okay. So let's copy and try that. Did I have to? No, everything is correct. It should be work. You can try with other language, guys. Send me also. No, man. No, something is. It should work. Okay. Let's say, hey, wait. I think that's a wrong code. Wait, guys. This is a wrong code. Generative image. I think I have text English language. Then, sorry, guys. Sorry. I think translation is equals to, okay, sorry, get, because I create a get translate function here, and that's why get translation. Yes, team, why you not tell me get translation? Okay, for this language, and then generated. Okay, GNARATE generate underscore image equals to, and I can go for translations comma image gen underscore model translation get translation. Okay, लोग गणेश उत्सव मना रहे हैं. Okay, image gen model No, I no need to pass image gen model here as well. That's it. Try it. Okay, why? It should be okay, okay. I'm sorry, this. Just try it now. Tuple object is not callable. Okay. Generative. Generate. Okay. So destlang. I mentioned en destlang is a Sahiti. Yeah, that's right. I already mentioned en English language. Let me wait. Image equals to first translation get underscore get underscore. Can I check the function which I created? The same thing. Function is overridden with previous response. Okay. Wait. Okay. So here, get translation. Just one moment. We are returning. We need something stored. Yeah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Get translation. Okay. Facility A1 gen model. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Rerun the function. Explain error. 2 minutes. I think. Ian. No, that's Ian should work. But now, why? Check this. Something is fishy. So it's working, Chaudhary, for you. Wait. 1 second. No, still tuple object is not callable. So please place dest equal to okay. Issue in the function calling. So did you generate output, guys? Did you generate? Yes. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. So same code is working. I think. Can you restart my code again? I think everything is. So here it should work, guys. Test equal to. Let's try. Yeah, I can pass. What if I pass test equal to Ian? No. Get translations got. Next. Yes, it's working. Okay. So how many of them working? 2 minutes. So did you generate the image? Yes. Do one thing. Let me restart all those things. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'll go ahead and check it here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, that's nice. So actually there's a no bug, but I have to restart. But here, 1 second, I'll go to my drive again. Just go to the Google Drive. Yes, sir. When we get it, we need to run the process. Exactly. So runtime, restart session, and run all. Just 2 minutes. I have to check all those things. and let's do it. So what exactly happened? It will work. I hope, guys, are you enjoy it or not? Are you understand? So I do see many of them completed. So yes, sir. Yeah. So you can refer to this practical and see, I can generate multiple. I'll also superb. Very good, Sony. Excellent. So how many of them like learned a lot? Excellent. So can I share my GitHub to you? I just go here in the GitHub. I can, okay, I think I have to, yes, please. This is the GitHub model. So tomorrow it will be actually by default, the YouTube live is not working, guys, today. So it might be overlapping with other workshops. So let me, where is my drive? Wait, go to the drive. Yeah, it will go to the drive and there are multi-language. See here, chart. Please just go here and stable diffusion. Please copy the GitHub, guys. And also, okay, it should work. So this code is work, guys. No worries about that. So definitely if you open it, just go to my GitHub. Where is that? I think I shared to you. Okay, this one. And what is image generator? Now let me open. See, but let me tell you, in this code, I use 2.1 send last line code. Samadhan, wait, I will go ahead and chart, send it. Can you try that? If you see, do you see this, guys? Able to get this translations? Thank you. See what happened? Bharat mein log Ganesh Visarjan ke jashn mana rahe. You see that? Are you able to display this image? Are you got this image, guys? It should work now. And also, okay, get translations. Okay, naach rahe hai. Just try that. And here, okay, you know Telugu? You can also enter Telugu. Anyone enter your local language and update me? Enter your local language and update me, guys. Enter your local language and update. Guys, do you see I got my response now? Do you see say the code which I got bugged now? It is give error. Fantastic. Yes, sir. Rahul, Telugu also you getting? Now, do you see I got my output now here? Now got the responses. Isn't it amazing? Now you can, okay, let's try to pass Odia and let's say Odia and okay, rather than people are celebrate Dasara. Okay, so maybe, or maybe Holi. Holi. Okay, kids celebrate Holi. So I'll copy them. So just go here. Oh, wait. Let me copy and I'll enter here and let's copy that. Go to my code. Okay. So guys, isn't it amazing? So this we pass a text prompt, but let me tell you, can you write nice man? Do you see guys, we develop our own code. That's okay. See, because why required, the reason being this is AI generated images, guys. You get creative content. You can apply in any social media, anywhere. So I can say like NVIDIA SMI. Now check your configured file. Great. See, we spend these much of. I mean to say you need to train this model more powerful. I mean to say stable diffusion. You can also, if you go to, let me check this, multi-language text prompt. Sir, it is working for, yeah, it's everywhere. It's working. Multi-language text prompt to image generation. So guys, stable diffusion model. I hope you develop a model. Okay, you develop a model. How about training same model in custom data? You can try that. Custom data means how? Let me tell you, Meenakshi. Guys, there is a few things. The moment when you train the model from custom data, that means a developer load the data set, right? So this concept is not a generative AI. You can develop the custom data using deep learning models, Understand? What is generative AI? In generative AI, the data trained directly from internet through Hugging Face, okay, and your we already done that stable diffusion from diffuse model. Stable diffusion. Understand difference between Gen AI? Okay. So if you want to build image generations applications by using Django, so which platform I should use to deploy or run? You can apply guys, but I would say to based on your requirement, what is your client requirement? Based on that you need to make. Understand, Chaudhary? Sir, I mean, if we use architectures, pretend LLMs and want to use for, yeah, I mean, actually, we can do this. For that, you can develop a, you have a GPT paid API key, right? GPT paid API key, and then you have, so you can use that as well. So, guys, how many of them? Okay, Meenakshi, guys, how many of them completed? Can you please, in this, sir, can you please share the WebEx recording link? OT, very good. OT, you joined. Fantastic, man. How is going on, OT? After a long time, share the WebEx recording. This is not available. Exactly. So actually what happened, Bhupinder, so the YouTube was integrated with other session. So that's why maybe you cannot track it. I will share once things is done by tomorrow. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. So many people are asking me, so no problem. But I hope you enjoy today's session and just go here. And what are the topic do you see? Kids are dancing. Okay, I think they do Punjabi dance, huh? Okay, this is Holy, they entertain. I'll share all this GitHub to you. Sir, GitHub link in classroom. No, classroom, I will discuss, sir. Any LLM model provide lifetime free access token? No. Ishwar, human only no lifetime survive, man, right? Let's see, the models are keep changing. So this is all those things I will share. This is the GitHub link. And one moment, let me finish up today. So just go to the current slide. We understood. So here internally, these architectures run, but in front end, all the code we deployed. So Hugging Face, stable diffusion. Internally, it called unit with attention. Text embedding, Hugging Face take care of text embedding. Latent seed, and create a prompt. The prompt is created by your GPT Omni model. Okay. And then finally, these architectures done in the backend. All right. So finally, okay, let me share you these architectures. So here, transformer library, Hugging Face hub, dataset library, PyTorch. So guys, my new training batch is running tomorrow. I mean, already 5 days completed. If any of your friends, reference, or anybody wants to join, so you can connect some my previous recording videos, and this is the new sessions. You can refer to them, and every day, Monday to Friday, 4 p.m., and you can join the session. It's more beautiful, more new things added over here, like GenAI model, LLM prompt engineer, CI/CD pipeline, MLOps, RAG. And here the genuine job markets are increasing rapidly. So we are in right stage, and I would appreciate everyone jump on it and go and get a job. So in profile, everything switch. No mention of machine learning. Do not mention AI. Just mention GenAI models and get internship and get offers, guys. Absolutely yes. Because the guy who take interview, so he himself don't have much idea about it. So I'm sure you're going to be fit for it. Next one. So if anyone wants to know the previous sessions, I already created 13 generative AI topics, 13, 1, 3. Crew AI multi-agents, how connect with LLM models, with RAG, what is meant by RAG LLMs, NLP, Gemma 9 billion, and might be 405 billion launched after that. And using Llama 3 Hugging Face Olama, you can develop your own model in your CPU using Olama installations. And Google Gen AI and Gen AI with Langchain Langsmith. And this is large language model. How I create two chains. I mean, language LangChain agents and Crew multi agents. So I hope this would give you a hands-on everything you guys understand. And if you need code of this, just ping me in LinkedIn. I'll share the code so you can work. And definitely 10, 13 projects would boost you and make you champ in Gen AI and LLM models, guys. Are you clear? Sir, can give, please share sir QR code. No, this is not for you. This is for 4 p.m. students. So the new batch, the drives are here. And all these links I'll share in the Git. You can refer to this and follow up. So guys, I hope you enjoy the sessions. I'm so sad that the live has not done, but still you will get it very soon in our these things, guys. Are you clear? So how is it sessions, guys? Excellent. You liked it? Oh, most of the people are left, guys. See, we spend time on learning something, isn't it? So it's nothing but using Python code. We combine all this GPT model, Hugging Face model, diffusion model, and that's it. So connect me on LinkedIn for further class. Once the recording, please share PPT. I shared PPT to you. I already shared. Very soon you get live on our YouTube. So don't forget to likes and comments so that people should know, guys. That's it. How is your experience? We spent 2.5 hours. Isn't it great? Yep, man. Webex not available. Yeah, I will share later. Rahul, great session, sir. Sir can give it as a final year project. Yeah, Chaudhary, you can give it. No worries. No problem. Okay. Good day, guys. Happy weekends. I'll stop it and sign up for today. Thank you. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye. I'll bring up more workshops in upcoming classes. All right. Yep. Oh man, we spent 3 hours. Amazing. Oh no, 2.5 hours.